Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step through the process of downloading, installing and activating SilentPass from CoNET. SilentPass is a decentralized virtual private network, or VPN, which uses a wallet address instead of an IP address. This wallet address is then encrypted and fragmented across a series of different nodes on the network. So let's take a look at the steps you need to follow in order to get SilentPass up and running on your device. The first thing you're going to need is a CoNET account. You'll find a link to signing up in today's video description. I already have an account, so I will simply put in my password and unlock. The options for SilentPass is found in the Apps section. It requires an additional piece of software to be downloaded and installed for your particular device. I'm using a Windows laptop, so I'm going to choose Windows. It's not a particularly large piece of software, so downloading should take only a matter of seconds, depending on your network connectivity. Once the package has downloaded, click to install it. You may receive this false flag from Microsoft Defender. By clicking More Info, you can then continue to run anyway. The installation package will open and click Install. The installation process again is very quick. And here we have the daemon complete and set up. We want to have this ticked so that it runs when we press finish. And that is the application downloaded and installed. Click on the local host. First-time users of the daemon application will be required to enter in their 12-word seed phrase and their CoNET wallet password in order to continue. Again, because I have already created an account, I can simply enter in my password and click Unlock. Here I can see similar features to my dashboard from the browser. If I return to the browser, it will still tell me that there is no CoNET daemon activity detected. You must refresh your browser and log back in for this to be detected. From the browser, when we click back into the Apps section, we can now see that there is a timer for SilentPass instead of the installation for the daemon. And if we scroll down this page, we will see we have options for either 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours of SilentPass activation. You will also see that changing these options changes the value of CNTP that must be in your account and burned in order to activate. Once you have made your decision or have enough CNTP in your account, simply click on the burn. Let the transaction take place in the background, and then we've got SilentPass purchased notification at the bottom of the screen. If we scroll to the top, we can see that I now have 3 hours worth of SilentPass activated. Previously, there were some proxy settings that had to be changed in order for SilentPass to work correctly. The team have created a Chrome browser extension which is free to download from the store. Again, you'll find a link in the video description. You want to add it to Chrome. You want to add extension. and then you can simply click on your extensions in Chrome and press for connecting. With the CoNET browser extension installed in Chrome and connected, I can change now to what's my IP, and we can see now that my IP address is listed as being in Pennsylvania in the USA. I can go back to the CoNET Silent Pass platform, scroll down, and I can see that the US is where I have chosen. If I change this by simply dropping down the menu and restart Silent Pass, the region has been updated. If I go back across to this, what's my IP address, and refresh the page, we can see now that my IP address has listed me in Germany, which matches the region I have chosen in Silent Pass. To deactivate Silent Pass and go back to my normal region, I open up the browser extension and simply press the button to be disconnected. And that's all there is to it, folks. Very simple, straightforward. No settings need to be changed. A download of an application and a download of a browser extension, and you can be protected and totally traceless for your online activity with CoNET. If you have any questions or queries, I will put links in the video description to all of their official channels. Alternatively, you can drop me a comment below and let me know if you have activated Silent Pass and what are your thoughts on this new decentralized VPN technology. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.